Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well and welcome to the new update on GALA token. As in my last video, I was showing you that price line of GALA is breaking out the resistance of a very long-term down channel. And in today's video, I want to show you how the price line has broken out the resistance, and I want to recall the targets, the sell targets for GALA token with you. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe, and then for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And this was the channel that GALA was moving inside this channel for more than 2 months. If we take a look at the previous channel, the price line entered here on 16th of September 2021, and I have placed this measurement tool, and you can see that for 60 days we have been moving inside this channel. Now here we can see that we entered the channel here, and for 72 days we have been, even 73 days we have been, if we include this candle as well, we have been moving inside this channel, and finally we are out of this channel, and we have completely broke out this channel here recently. Now if we switch to the 4 hourly time frame, then we are doing this third time in the history of GALA token. Before that, the price line also did this on the 4 hourly time frame chart as well. Here, back in September 2021, the price line formed another down channel on the 4 hourly time frame and broke out the resistance of this down channel. Now I would like to show you this harmonic move that GALA formed on the weekly time frame, and I shared this pattern for my members at the Patreon on 1st of Feb, and when the price line entered the buying zone, and I told my members that we have a very strong support at 14.6 cents, and it will be really very difficult for the price line to break down this support, and from here we can expect a reversal move to the upside. Now as per the Fibonacci sequence of this harmonic Garland move, we can expect our sell target from 46.64 cents to 71 cents. But if we move back to this daily time frame, and let's take a look at the previous moves of GALA, like the previous breakout that we had, that was a very big move, even more than 700%. I'm just showing you after the breakout, not before the breakout. That was more than 700% rally. Therefore, it is possible that GALA will again start such a big rally very soon. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.